your funnel to work automatically without doing everything manually? In this video, I'll show you how to connect automation rules to your funnels in System.io. Step 1. Log in to your System.io account and click on Funnels. Open the funnel where you want to add automation. Step 2. Select the funnel step you want to automate, such as an opt-in page or order form. Scroll down until you find the Automation Rules section. Step 3. Click Add Rule. Choose a trigger that starts the automation. For example, select Funnel Step Form Subscribed when someone submits the opt-in form. Click Save Rule. Step 4. Now click Add Action. Choose what should happen after the trigger. For example, you can enroll the contact in a campaign, grant course access, add a tag, send a webhook, register the contact for a webinar. Select the action you need and click Save. Step 5. Test your funnel by submitting the form yourself. Check that the automation runs correctly and the selected action is completed automatically. And that's it! You've successfully connected automation rules to your funnel in System.io. If you'd like to build automated sales funnels and grow your online business, check out my System.io affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly tutorials.